In Series 7, Part 1 and Part 2, we have discussed about the application of Anumana Pramana in Darshana as well as in Ayurveda. Now, in Part 3 and 4, we are going to discuss about the Anumana Pramana in the physiological and diagnostic aspects. Coming to the physiological aspects related to Anumana Pramana or Anumana Pramana in the physiological aspects of the body. Acharya Charaka have explained about different conditions of Anumana Pramana in Vimanasthana. He has explained based on Grahya Bhavas and Pariksha Bhavas. Grahya Bhavas means that which is inferred. Pariksha Bhavas is that by which we can infer. Grahya Bhavas means that which is inferred, and Pariksha Bhavas means that by which we infer. Coming to first, that is Krodha or anger. This is the Grahya Bhava, that which we infer. Pariksha Bhava is Abhidrohena or the revengeful disposition. Means gussa mein he is doing something out of very revenge, something out of anger. From that we are inferring that there is anger. Coming to second, Shoga or grief. Here Grahya Bhava is Shoga or grief. Pariksha Bhava is Rodhanena. When a person is crying, we can infer that he is in grief or he is in sad or he is in shoga. The third is Harsha. Here Harsha is the Grahya Bhava and Amodena is the Pariksha Bhava. Means by seeing a happy mood, we can infer that the person is happy. Fourth is Bhaya or fear. Here Bhaya is the Grahya Bhava and Vishadena means sorrowful disposition is the Pariksha Bhava. By seeing a person in sorrowful disposition, we can understand that he is having a fear or he is afraid about something. So, Anumana Pramana helps us to understand about many physiological aspects of the body. For example, if we see a person coming from a closed room and if he is sweating, we can infer that there is too much temperature in that room. The same if a person is coming from a closed room and if he is shivering, then we can infer that it is too cold in that room. So, Anumana Pramana helps us to find many things related to physiology. Coming to an end to Anumana Pramana Series 7 Part 3, and we will be continuing in Series 7 Part 4.